Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily check the modify system settings privacy on your Sharp 50 TV. So to check which app has the modify system settings access allowed, we need to go to the settings, now scroll down to privacy and go down until we see special app access. Here we need to see the modify system settings, and here we have the ambient mode, Bluetooth, Google Play Store, Play Services, and much more here. So what we can do is we can disable it by clicking OK on our remote. So I just disabled the ambient mode, the Bluetooth, the MediaTek TV service, and this is how you guys can do that. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment. Bye.